Hello boys and girls, we are working once again on some sample strategies for multiplication. Today's is called the doubling or halving and the most famous doubling and halving. I know it's crazy, but it's even more exciting than just being alone. First problem is 4 times 12. Write down 4 times 12 if you're working along with me, or just watch the video and be amazed. Most of us, or a lot of us, know that 4 times 12 has a product of 48. Some of us have to work it out. Either one is fine. But if we do it with standard algorithm, mom and pop version, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1, 4. We have a product of 48. Some of you prefer using partial products. When we multiply the values, 4 times the value of the 1, which is 10. 4 times 10 is 40. Multiplying the values of the 1s and the 1s, 4 times 2 is 8. Here we have our two partial products, parts of the product of 48. Both great methods, both get us an answer. Now if we're showing it with an array, we write our numbers on the left and on the top. 4 times 12, it's an area model, so 4 times 12 would be 48. Can also be written as an equation. 4 times 12 is 48. Now if we use a partial products area model, now we're putting down our values, so we're going to split the other side. So we have the value of the 1, which is 10, and the value of the 2, which is 2. And then we multiply 4 times 10 to get 40, 4 times 2 to get 8, and then we combine the two answers. 40 and 8 is 48. Simple strategy. A lot of you learned how to do that in 3rd and 4th grade with partial products. Now if we combine or continue down our sheet of our string, we have 8 times 12. Now for those of you who looked at it right away, if you're going to solve it with the mom and pop method, 12 times 8, 8 times 2 is 16. We regroup our tens digit above the tens. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 more is 9 to get 96. Those of you that use partial products, still a great algorithm. 8 times 10 is 80. Multiply the 1s to get 8 times 2, which is 16. Add our partial products to get 96. And if we show it on an array, with partial products, we have 8 times 10 and 8 times 2. And we get 80 and 16. Combine the two answers, and we get 96. Now a lot of you noticed right away when we went from 4 times 12 to 8 times 12, the 4 doubled. So if we look at our previous answer of 4 times 12, if one of the numbers doubles, then our product would naturally double to 48 to 96. Now on the other hand, if I do this, 8 times 6, and set that up, and that's just a basic fact problem, but we know the answer already is 48. But if we look at our patterns, we notice that one digit remains the same and the other number halves. So if we went from 12 down to 6, 8 times 12 was 96. If we take half of 12, which is 6, that means we're going to have our product to get the 48.